The Greek word Pleroo is used over 73 times in the New Testament. By Yeshua, by Peter, by Paul. 73 times. Now, most of the time when you come to this word, it doesn't raise any questions. 72 times it's taken within the context that it is written. Nobody debates 72 times. Nobody debates the word Pleroo. There is one time that is cause for debate. So much so that people have built a false theology off of this one passage. They state that this doesn't mean that, but the rest of the 72 times it does mean what it means. But instead of Pleroo meaning Pleroo 73 plus times, it only means Pleroo 72 times, according to most people's theology. Now I'm going to show you some passages that have the word Pleroo in it. Now I'm going to show you some passages, and I'm going to read the definition in place of the word Pleroo, but I'm going to read the misinterpreted definition or the recreated definition. If Pleroo means what many think it means in that one passage, it should mean that through all the other 72 times. But if it doesn't, and it doesn't make any sense all the 72 times, then the true definition needs to be plugged into the misunderstood one. So this word Pleroo has two false definitions. One, done away with. Two, Christ did it for me. And I'm going to read it in both instances and see if it makes sense. 2 Corinthians 10:6, and having in a readiness to revenge all disobedience when your obedience is done away with. Galatians 5:14, for all the law is done away with in one word, even in this thou shalt love the neighbor as thyself. Philippians 2:2, do away ye my joy, that ye may be like-minded, having the same love, being of one accord, of one mind. Colossians 1:25, whereof I am made a minister according to the dispensation of God, which is given to me for you to do away with the word of God. And I say to Archippus, take heed to the ministry which thou hast received in the Lord, that thou might do away with it. For the sake of time, I'm just going to pick Mark 15:28. And the scripture was done away with, which saith, and he was numbered with the transgressors. Second definition, 2 Corinthians 10:6, and having a readiness to revenge all disobedience, when your obedience is done for you by Christ. For all the law is done for you by Christ in one word. Colossians 1:25, according to the dispensation of God, which given to me for you to, Christ does it for me, the word of God. When Christ said Pleroo to fulfill, he brought it to its highest point.